Okay, so this carbon brush is removed from the new motor assembly and then fit into the original model. So the part that have two connectors is going to face towards the black rubber pad, which is facing down position. And these are the wires that are connecting to it. So I'm going to connect the wire, and the one that is the white and red is on this side. I have to press down with my finger. So when I turn it, the white and red are going to be on bottom. Then the next one is the yellow and red. If I flip it, then it will be on the bottom positions. And again, I will press down with my finger. Then I rotate it. Then the yellow and red are going to be on the top. So before I put it in, I have to remove this plastic, and this is removable. So I will install this part first. And slide this in. Then again, the wires is at the bottom. Let me try to close the cover to see it fit. Press down on the wirings. Press all the way down. Plastic should be no wire tangle on the plastic side. The wire should be going up, down, up again, nothing hanging on the top. Okay, it's perfect fit. So it seems like this extended plastic is facing the side, and you can use the 9-volt battery to test it instead of the 12-volt. I think the motor specifications say that minimum is 8-volt to turn it. So when you remove it, you can connect the positive and negative either way, and to make sure it turns. Again, the two sides with the holes is facing upward, and the connector from the new brush as well as the old brush, the connector is facing downward. Then I will put back the cover and screw them back in to the metal plate. The long mounting bolt first to the metal plate. Then the rest of the 4 smaller bolts, screws. Going through everyone, make sure they are tight, but not too tight. Okay, that's it for this part of the video. The next one we'll install back to the car and do a test.